University Medical Center, UMC, school, dyan lang tatrabaho ang mga doctor, nurses, PT, kaya from Philippines. University Medical Center, Lubbock, Texas. Aral-aral po tayo may time. University Medical Center, dyan nagtatrabaho ang miss ko at ang aming anak. This corresponding Gio from Philippine News, Texas, Human Service. Sabi nga, knowledge, power, education is the key to success. Maraming alam, maraming ulam. Mag-aaral po tayo ng may time malaki. Corresponding Gio from Philippine News, Texas, University Medical Center, Lubbock, Texas. Hospital in Lubbock, Texas, UMC. Nagtatrabaho mga nurses, doctor, pharmacist came from Philippines, UMC, Lubbock, Texas.